Welcome to Quick Take Tuesday, episode 8. Firstly, one of the downsides of doing all these videos is I'm actually tracking how much hair I grow. Who knew I had hair? But, back to business. So, 3 points for today for you. First one, AI images. Are they turning you off or are they turning you on? Sometimes I think like there's maybe a bit too much information inside some of these things. They're more like flyers than images. So I'm seeing them on LinkedIn and Facebook. They're great ways of communicating information, but sometimes there's just too much there. And I think people are missing the simplicity of like a capture image with a single message rather than it being a flyer that you would post through someone's letterbox or send them via email to give them more information about something that they were interested in. So for me, a little bit of a turn off. What do you think? Controversial here. Pervert glasses, also known as the Meta Ray-Ban or Meta glasses. So glasses, inbuilt camera, video. I actually have a pair. I won them at a convention last year. They're fantastic for just capturing bits where you didn't want to get your phone out to do that because we're just in the moment. I mean, the images are nowhere near as good, so they're not a good replacement. And I probably wear them maybe twice a year. But what do you think? I mean, they're being banned in pubs and restaurants because people are covertly filming, or even just not covertly filming. They're just filming, and people don't realise because the little flashing white light is there. Again, people can cover them up and you wouldn't know. So news articles this week about people like in the workplace, should they be allowed, recording someone when they're unaware that they're being recorded, even if they are being promoted that they're being recorded. Personally, I hate it. It's horrible. I mean, if you're out and about, you should be free to kind of do and express yourself and not have fear that the things you're doing, which aren't bad, are not being recorded. But will it make people maybe be sensibler, not maybe do things that they otherwise would have done? I don't know. Let me know what you think. Problems, not solutions. What we're seeing more now in the IT space is people are bringing you suggested solutions to problems rather than bringing you the problems that they were having and you find the solution. The issue that this generates is that there's a lot of information that's gone into that process that you aren't aware of. There's a nuance that's there that if you're using an AI solution to give you that potential answer, it doesn't have that years of experience that someone has and that gut feeling for whether something is right or wrong. I experienced it myself. I'm trying to design a flooring for a garage, and I thought, you know what, I can use this tool to help me understand it. But what it completely missed was that if I just changed one premise about the design that I had right at the start, the entire design then changes afterwards. And because I was using a tool that had stuck to that original premise and I was unaware that it could be different, I ended up down a complete rabbit hole and could have had a very big bill at the end of it for some flooring. And we're seeing this come across for kind of what we see coming over the help desk and people logging jobs. Should we do this? Should we go here? Should we do this? Okay, bring the problems. Let the experts find the solutions. That is what it's about. If you went to a doctor, you'd get the same answer. If you went to a lawyer, you'd get the same answer. If you went to an accountant, you'd get the same answer. Look, bring that into your tech life. Focus on the problems and work with a partner to help find the solutions. It's going to be the best way you can do that. So hopefully you got something good out of that, and I will, as always, see you next Tuesday.